What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Fiat Smart Key remote fob. This Fiat key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2025, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we need to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my finger's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now, if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at the side of the key fob, we can see this crack running down the side here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that crack, and I'm just going to slowly work my way up, kind of gently prying as I go. So I'm going to start at the bottom of the key fob in that crack and just put it in there, and you can see it's already starting to split the shell apart. And just work your way up, take your time, and kind of pry as you go, and it'll split the shell apart like that. And once we get the back half off, we can see this round piece here that says CR2025 on it. That's going to be the cap for the battery, and you can usually just get your fingernail under there. If that doesn't work, you can just use your screwdriver, but usually just a fingernail will work. Pull that cap off, and as I did that, the old battery came out. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up. So you just set it down in that holder like that, and then we'll put this cap back on. Once you have that cap back on, we can snap the back half of the shell back on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.